Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm planning on putting this bag together for my yarns today. And I added strips, so I put this on, sew this on here, flip it over and sew it to this. And then I'll do the same, put these two together, Then on one side I'll put another strip and then add this side. And then iron it, and that'd be it. So let me do that. Okay, I put the strips, trimmed it. So now I'll add these to it. So be back. Okay, I sewed it together and trimmed them. I can add a strip here. And a strip with the pins. There. Trim it with the scissors. Get the rotary cutter on that out again. There. Now sew that. When I do that, I'll get back to you. Okay, I sewed that on now. Time to sew this on. So I'll get this on here. That. Alright, I'll get back to you when I sew it. So, okay, I got the sides done. Now I'm going to do the top and the bottom. How does it look so far? Looks good. So let me do that. Okay, got everything else done. Now I've got to sew the top and the bottom. And then I'll take it from there. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I got the top and the bottom. See? Still on. There's the bottom. Now, what do I do from here? I don't know if I should cut these corners out. I don't know. I'll get back to you. I don't know what I'm going to do next. Okay, I'm going to connect this, so this onto the bottom. So this is going to be the bottom of the bag. Let's see. You know, when the bag is made. It'd be the bottom of the bag. All right, let me sew that. Now all I have to do is sew the top, and it's all done. And that's right, put the straps. But I made it big. See how big it is? To fit what yarns I'm working with right now. Just toss them in there. You can see the inside is big, very roomy for my yarns. Nice, huh? Or you can use it for anything. Me, I'm going to use it for my yarns. It's big enough, I think, to fit a quilt in there. Fold it up. Nice, right? There you go. So, let me sew around here, around the top. I think I'm going to sew around twice. Really hold it. And put the straps. I'll put one strap on this end, and the same thing on this end and this end. And then it'll be held like that. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, guys. All right, it's all finished. I put the straps on. Yes, it's big. It's for my yarn. I made it fun, like polka dots and crazy quilt patch. I put the lining in. They used a curtain that we had in our front room. It was fairly new too. Put the straps. I put the straps on with buttons. Make it look fun. That's what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. But it's a big gale. And I'm going to put my yarn in here after I re-roll it because my dog was in the yarn because he got mad at me and he just unwound everything because he's spoiled. But that's cute, isn't it? Hey, what you can do with what you have around the house. You have to go buy all kinds of fabric, people. If you just want to have fun, have fun. You're spending all kinds of money, that ain't fun. That's worrisome. But this is what I did. And I'm going to take a picture of it and put it on here when I edit this. Well, I might edit that much. I like it more natural, the way I record than the fancy around. I used to edit a lot. My first few videos, and you know, edit nothing. It'll be who I am and show what I've recorded, and that's it. Let's not be phony. You don't want to watch it because I'm natural, and I don't know what to tell you. But my next project is going to be what I showed you with the precious moments that I had embroidered way back in the early 2000s. And I started that because I had plans on making my first grandchild a quilt, and I wanted to use precious moments because that's like one of my favorite. So I embroidered it. Took some time doing the embroidery because they're pretty big. And I didn't use embroidery floss. I used regular sewing thread, so it took a lot more time. And I got those done, so that's going to be my second project. So I got to sit here and think what I'm going to do with them and how I'm going to use them in something. I don't know what. But it has to be something where I can use them all. I don't know. I don't know what. I haven't thought of what I can do. And I'm making another bag. Took me 2 days to do this bag. I don't need no more bags. I just did this because I did these back in like 2013. This one here I just did the other day because I made a boo-boo on the original one and I got angry, so I just crunched it up and threw it across the room. And I ended up making this one. Otherwise, I would have had the other one. But these other ones were made back in 2013, before my mom had passed away. And before everything else went bad. Losing my son, losing my 3 grandchildren. But this is cute. This is fun. This is really fun. This was fun. I love it. It looks fun. Put all my yarns in there. I mean, I don't buy yarn like that either, where you overstock. I buy it as I use it. I buy a percentage amount, and that's it. And I work on those until they're finished. I mean, even to the point where, you know, whatever you're making, sometimes you have just so much left. Well, I save that and I add other ones together and make a cute little hat or whatever. I don't waste no yarn either. But I got to figure out what I'm going to do with those precious moments. For now, I got to clean this mess up. At some point, I got to get back to this quilt. But I'm taking my time because I plan on making more videos, get more out there. At this point, after this one, well, before I upload this one, I have 27 videos I already did already. In 3 months' time, which isn't too much. I was recording a lot more in the beginning. I'm doing a lot less now. Maybe one every, I don't know, a little over a week, 2 weeks. But I want to start doing a little more. We've been having problems with our internet, so I'll do them as long as I can get them uploaded. I tried to upload it, the last video I did. It was like the internet went out. I don't know. After the snowstorm, I don't know. But we've been having problems since they connected the internet. The doofus that came out and did it, he ended up cutting our cable line and everything when he did it. So it's been all messed up. So it's been taking 2-3 days just to upload one video, and that's crazy when it should only take a couple hours. But it is what it is. Did you like what I did, what I made? Please give me a thumbs up. I would fully appreciate it. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to make a go of these videos. I need some type of income as well, just like everyone. I'm stuck at home watching my grandchildren while my daughter prepares her life and her education. So I need something coming in so I can continue my love, which is quilting. That's my main love. And I want to share with you my knowledge and work with you with my type of patterns and what I do and everything with it. So please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.